handsome boy, or are you a girl? I don't remember. You're a girl. You're a little girl. Yes, you are. You got pretty eyes. And a happy tail. You're just glad to be getting a visitor, huh? Happy tail, happy tail. What do you do? What? Oh, no, you stay down, silly. Stay down, I'll pat you down here.
Did this,
I'll pat you.
did 261 Blue come in with this red wire thing?